Tonight, we're diving deep into the brand new 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a bold and luxurious machine that's turning heads across the RV and trucking industries. Built on Kenworth's legacy of power and durability, the T2000 Motorhome merges the soul of a long-haul workhorse with the comfort and sophistication of a high-end mobile residence. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time road warrior, this model redefines what it means to travel in style. From the moment you approach the T2000 Motorhome, its commanding presence is unmistakable. The aerodynamic contours are crafted, not just for aesthetics, but for performance, with the grille redesigned to improve airflow and reduce drag, ultimately enhancing fuel efficiency. Chrome accents line the mirrors, air intakes, and badging, delivering a polished, premium look that reflects Kenworth's attention to detail. Under the hood, the T2000 is powered by a Packer MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,150 lb-ft of torque. Paired with the Eaton Endurant 12-speed automated transmission, this motorhome offers seamless shifting and highway cruising with remarkable fuel economy for its size. The powertrain is engineered not just for performance, but for reliability. Over long distances, giving drivers the confidence to venture off the beaten path or across the country. Inside the cab, the T2000 showcases an impressive blend of industrial strength and luxury. The dash layout has been completely redesigned for 2026, featuring a full digital instrument cluster, a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with voice command, and integrated navigation tailored specifically for RV routes. The SmartNav RV Edition maps avoid low-clearance bridges and provide campground POIs, a feature road travelers have long requested. The driving experience is further elevated by the ultra-quiet cabin, engineered with triple-sealed doors, acoustic insulation, and a suspended cab system that significantly reduces road noise and vibration. Heated, ventilated leather captain's chairs with 12-way adjustability ensure long-haul comfort, while a wraparound panoramic windshield offers an unobstructed view of the road ahead. But it's what lies beyond the cockpit that truly sets the T2000 Motorhome apart. Step into the living area, and you're immediately greeted with the ambiance of a modern apartment. The floor plan offers up to 400 square feet of living space, depending on the configuration. It features a full slide-out system that nearly doubles the usable space when parked. Hardwood cabinetry, quartz countertops, and Italian tile flooring deliver a residential feel, while dimmable LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere at night. The lounge area includes a theater-style seating arrangement with power recliners, USB-C ports, and a 55-inch OLED TV with surround sound. A retractable workstation allows digital nomads to stay productive on the go, and Starlink satellite internet integration ensures connectivity virtually anywhere in North America. The kitchen is nothing short of gourmet. It's equipped with a full-size residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and a dishwasher. Yes, a dishwasher. Soft close drawers, pull-out pantry shelves, and a deep farmhouse sink make food prep feel just like home. The Reeks dinette converts into additional sleeping space, accommodating up to 6 guests comfortably. In the rear, the master suite is a private retreat. It features a king-size memory foam bed, smart ambient lighting, and generous closet space. The ensuite bathroom includes a full-size walk-in shower with rainfall and body spray systems, a backlit mirror, heated tile floors, and even a washer-dryer combo unit discreetly tucked into custom cabinetry. Kenworth also put significant focus on technology and sustainability in the 2026 T2000. The motorhome comes with a state-of-the-art solar package, offering up to $2,000. Watts of solar power fed into a 1,200 amp-hour lithium battery bank. This allows off-grid living for days without relying on a generator. When needed, a whisper-quiet Cummins Onan $12.5 generator provides backup power, and all systems are controlled via the RV's central command center, accessible through a 10-inch touchscreen or remotely via smartphone. Safety is a priority too. The T200 includes lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera systems, and blind spot monitoring. Tire pressure monitoring and trailer sway detection are also standard, ensuring peace of mind when towing an additional vehicle or trailer. Kenworth's engineers also paid attention to the small but meaningful details: automatic leveling jacks, heated exterior storage compartments, keyless entry, motion sensor lighting, and even a built-in pet station with climate control and external washdown for your furry travel companions. All of this is wrapped in a package that's both rugged and refined, built on Kenworth's vocational chassis, which has been proven in some of the harshest conditions across the globe. The T200's durability is unmatched, and now, with its luxury build-out, it competes directly with some of the most elite motorhomes on the market. The 2026 Kenworth T200 Motorhome starts at around $480,000, with high-end builds and customizations reaching into the $600,000 range. While that price tag may seem steep, what you're getting isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury estate, a command center, and a long-haul performer all in one. For those who demand both power and prestige, who want to live life on the open road without giving up the comforts of home, the 2026 T200 stands as a new benchmark in mobile living. Stay tuned for our hands-on test drive and exclusive walkthrough footage, coming soon.